Planning your next trip to Laos and wondering about the Laos visa for Indians? If you've ever dreamed of exploring the golden temples of Luang Prabang, cruising along the majestic Mekong River, or soaking in the peaceful vibes of Vientiane, then this is the perfect guide for you. The best part, getting your Laos visa is simple, quick, and completely stress-free for Indian travelers. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know, from visa options and fees to how you can apply and arrive in Laos with total confidence. There are 3 easy ways for Indian citizens to get a Laos visa for Indians. First, the Laos e-visa, the most convenient way. Apply online, pay online, and receive your visa by email before you travel. Second, the visa on arrival, available at major airports and border checkpoints. And third, the embassy visa, a deal for long stays, work trips, or volunteer programs. If you're traveling to Laos for sightseeing, temples, waterfalls, or the countryside, the e-visa is your best choice. It's valid for 30 days and processed online in just 3 working days. For business or long-term stays, choose the embassy visa. And for spontaneous trips, say you're already in Thailand or Vietnam, the visa on arrival works perfectly. Just bring your documents, a passport photo, and some US dollars in cash. Applying for your Laos e-visa takes less than 10 minutes. Step 1. Visit the official website, https://laovisa.gov.la/index. Step 2. Fill in your personal and travel details. Step 3. Upload your passport scan and a recent 4x6 photo. Step 4. Pay the $52 USD fee online. Step 5. Wait 3 to 5 working days for approval. Once approved, you'll receive your e-visa by email. Print it out and carry it with your passport when you travel. If you prefer the visa on arrival, here's what you'll need. Passport valid for 6+ months, 2 photos, 4x6 centimeters, completed arrival form, proof of travel, and funds. Visa fee, about $35 to $45 US, payable in cash. At the airport, just go to the visa on arrival counter, submit your documents, pay the fee, and you'll get your stamped visa within minutes. If you're traveling for work, studies, or official purposes, apply directly for your Laos visa for Indians at the Lao Embassy in India. Submit your application form, passport photos, invitation letter, if any, flight and hotel bookings, and financial proof. The visa costs about $45 to $50 US and takes 5 to 7 working days to process. Here's a quick summary for you. E-visa, $52 US, 3 to 5 working days. Visa, on arrival, $35 to $45 US, issued instantly at airports or borders. Embassy visa, $45 to $50 US, takes 5 to 7 working days. To stay safe, apply for your Laos visa for Indians at least 2 weeks before your trip, especially during festivals like Pi Mai Lao, Lao New Year. Before applying for your Laos visa for Indians, double-check a few details. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months, upload a clear photo, and ensure your name and dates match exactly. Small errors can cause delays. If you're unsure, vietnamtour.in can review your documents and help you get approval smoothly. If you want a smooth, worry-free Laos visa for Indians experience, contact vietnamtour.in. Our visa experts help Indian travelers daily with fast and reliable visa applications. From filling the form to getting your approval email, we take care of everything. And if you plan to visit both Vietnam and Laos, we can arrange a combined visa and travel package to save you time and money. Are you ready to explore Laos, the heart of Southeast Asia? Let vietnamtour.in take care of your visa, hotels, and private tours, so all you need to do is enjoy every beautiful moment. Subscribe now for more travel guides and experiences made especially for Indian travelers, and start your unforgettable journey with vietnamtour.in.